Hey, here TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a beautiful Copperhead 72 rolling down the shop today. It's not every day you see us building one of these. This one's going to my man Matt down in Texas, the great state of Texas, and he's got just about every option you can throw on this Copperhead. So we'll check her out here. Now, as you can see, it is on our off-road package. He's got these badass upgraded wheels and tires from Mad Jacks. Really looks slick on there. That gunmetal gray goes good with it. But we'll open up the chamber here, and that's where the cool options start. So this has got our split chamber on it. And now what that is we've got a divider plate that slides in here. What that allows you to do is have a 36-inch reverse flow smoker on this side, 36-inch charcoal grill on this side. So we've got charcoal pans here for both sides, a griddle top that slides in place of one of the cooking grates. Still got his 4 slide out trays. So very versatile cooker here. Or you can take that divider plate out and we've got a block off plate in it and use the whole thing as a smoker. So then you get your full smoker capacity. TMG Pits tail truth thermometers all the way around, of course, stainless steel shelf, paper towel utensil holder. Open up the hot box here. Now this is our 30-inch, this is our extra large hot box. So guys, when you bump up to the Copperhead 72, you get an extra large firebox and hot box. So you got over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in this hot box alone. Still our standard setup, runs independent from the smoke chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Come around to the firebox. This is our insulated firebox. Still got your fire management cradle in there. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Got a couple more goodies back here. We've got a rear folding shelf. So it'll fold down out of the way when you don't need it. And we've got an extra little storage box back here as well. That came out pretty slick. There you can see that divider plate I was telling you all about. I wasn't lying to you. Finish it off with a fold down smokestack as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.